I got my first skateboard when I was 13. Back then, there was nobody to teach me tricks. After 1 month of hard practice, I quit. I couldn't commit to it. About a year ago, I started studying for my final exams and found myself really stressed out. So I decided to start again, but with one new rule. I would skate every single day. So I started. No matter if it rained, if it snowed, if I was bored, tired, exhausted or injured, I would skate every single day. With Skateboarding Made Simple, I was able to land some basic tricks really fast, and that made me really happy. From my first Ollie to my first Shove-It to my first Braille flip to my first tray flip, I never stopped believing in myself. Since April 3rd, it has been exactly 1 year of skateboarding for me. And thanks to Skateboarding Made Simple, it was a hell of a year. Yes, there were drawbacks, injuries, and fails. But now I know that I can achieve anything in life, following one simple rule. Go fast and commit.